Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super cool Windows 11 trick, that is God mode. Sound powerful, right? Well, let's start it. So firstly, we are going to create a new folder on desktop. Just right click on the screen, click on new, then folder, then right click it rename to this. I will write this code in my video description, then press enter. You will see the control panel icon. Yeah, that's God mode. Double click on it to open. You will see there hundred of settings, advanced settings that will use to boost your system or productivity, which helps you to in productivity. You will simply search on search bar and type which setting you need. You can create multiple God mode folders according to your categories. It's safe to use. It does not change your system files. And that's it. God mode is an amazing shortcut for power users or anyone who want all Windows 11 setting in one place. If you don't want it, you can just click on it and press the delete button. God mode folder will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss more Windows tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.